I don't know if this is real life. I'm just gonna cry in this one because you guys keep sending me stuff. And I can't believe it. I don't even know what to say. We're gonna find out what's in here. I'm really bad at opening things. Okay. Alright. It is a bunch of very pretty washi tape. Alright, I know it's kind of shiny and reflective right there, but there's some really, really pretty patterns in this set. Okay, so here is the message. Hi, Victoria. Only a small gift, but hope you enjoy it. Hugs from us, Welsh Dragons, Crafty Leeks. Aw, you guys, thank you so much. I can't believe it. Oh, there's something else. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so this is like a circle creator, and this is like super useful. I have wanted this for like legit over a year. Like since I've started bullet journaling, I've wanted one of these, and I just never got it. It's not even that expensive, but I don't know, I never picked it up, and oh my gosh, it's like, you put your pencil in there and you move it around, and it makes a circle, and it's super awesome, super great. I mean, for other things other than just bullet journaling, it would be great in art too, you know, to make circles. And there's like tiny circles in there too. Oh, this is so great. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you. And just lots of love from Crafty Leeks, Kim, and Rhian. Rhian? I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. I hope it was okay. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, just making sure nothing else was in there. And okay, there's another one though. What is happening? Oh my gosh, thank you guys. I don't even... Oh my gosh, yes! Yes, okay. So, this is a swear word coloring book. I know exactly who it's from. Hi, Victoria. Enjoy your gift from Angie Hewitt. So, on her channel, on her YouTube channel, she did this video on this coloring book, and I thought it was just amazing. And I put it on my wish list, and I guess she gave it to me. Oh gosh, I'm so excited to color these. Yeah, so they say like head, and I'm not even gonna say these out loud, I guess. I'll just show some of them, but they have these like really gorgeous backgrounds, and like she had some colored, and she had some really, really beautiful ones colored. You should totally check them out. I'll link her channel, and also link Crafty Leeks. But yeah, these are just some really beautiful designs. And the cover's like really soft. It's like, you know, one of those soft ones. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I can't believe I was blessed with 3 gifts from 2 different people. Oh my god, you guys, this is like so many people are giving me gifts in like 1 month, and I'm like, I'm trying not to like be negative and like I don't deserve this, but like I don't, but like I'm so glad that you guys think that. Like it just means a lot to me, and especially because, you know, for like all my life I've just like hated on my artwork and myself for my artwork, and it's just like been a really negative experience for me, like art, and I don't want it to be anymore. So, you know, I've been working to change that, but you guys are really, really helpful, like, so much, and yeah, I just, I'm so glad that I'm a part of the YouTube community. You guys are really wonderful, and I've just had such a positive experience, and I just want to thank you guys. I'm so blessed. Like, I don't even know what to do. Like, I can't believe this keeps happening. What? I don't think this is real life. I don't know. Wow. I'm just... What? It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Well, alright. I should probably end this video, so I'm gonna do that. But thank you guys. I'm just gonna wig out here for a while, and this is gonna be fun to color in. I'm totally gonna use this in my bullet journal ASAP and draw some circles. 100%. I can use the, you know, these Crayola markers to color in the coloring book that Jill sent me. Just filled with all these wonderful gifts. Oh gosh, you guys, thank you so much, and sorry for making that kind of rambly there at the end, but thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for supporting me. I so appreciate everything. I love you guys, and I hope you have a good day and a good night, because I'm just, whew, I'm up there, you know. So thank you so much. Bye.